Hello everyone, wherever you're joining, wherever you see this video. It's been a long time. I and Elijah did a live stream, and recently we just thought to start doing like live streams of our various coding sessions we usually have. We are currently building two tools, and many times we do like live coding sessions to help us build faster and all of those. And today, I have Elijah on this stream. We're just testing things out to see how it works. In the future, we tend to like stream on LinkedIn, on both of our profiles, even on TikTok and many other social media platforms. We're just trying to like put ourselves out there and like make people see our own coding, our approach to coding and all of that. Now, I'm going to bring up Elijah. Yeah, Elijah, can you hear me?
See. Yes, I can. Can you hear
Almost.
me? Can you see me?
Yeah, sure.
I see almost.
Almost. It's been a while we did this thing, and it like makes sense that we are
I
doing
know,
it.
I know, right?
Yeah, yeah. Honestly, like this is our first time. We don't even know like what is out, but we are just streaming. We don't know maybe anybody's seeing it, how it looks like. Maybe there's a way we can just check on our phone and all those kind of things, right?
So do you see a link to do you see the live stream link, like a YouTube link or something?
No, I can't see that here. But let me check. Let me check YouTube and
Okay, let me check also.
code. Oh, I see it. I see it actually. Wow.
Can you share the link with me? Oh, I
Yeah.
see it too. I see it too. Interesting.
And it looks very clean actually.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let me
I see.
let me just share it on like on a very closed social media. Okay, let's go. So what like a lot of things are happening in the tech ecosystem and it's quite crazy, right? So today does not waste. I'm thinking we just let me share this idea that this what I something that I've been seeing, and I know you've been seeing it on Twitter too. So when these
Okay.
guys at Remotion released this agent
Oh yeah,
skill,
yeah, yeah.
exactly the whole
Yeah.
agent thing has been like trending everywhere.
Hmm.
And according to them, they made this video and they said that they made this video using the agent skill. In fact, they released this gist. I don't know if you have seen this gist. So apparently, they are saying this is the process in which they were chatting with Claude Code to generate the
That
video.
particular video.
Yeah, see the gist here. They put like their prompt to they are creating a remotion animation, blah blah blah, and like all the responses, everything they put it all here so that everybody will know that it was like Claude actually like all their prompts make the background of the master composition, the color white, blah blah blah, the logo, blah, blah, blah. So I think it will be something. It's something really nice because considering how much goes into videos like this, it really makes sense to me. I don't know. Remotion. Remotion normally they give you the ability to make videos programmatically. So you just install this, set up the project, like a basic Next.js project, and then like I'm thinking that we do something like that for NGN market. Like with what we are doing here, like it makes sense people can like do a very basic video explaining NGN market. What do you think?
I think that would be nice actually. So I've seen the whole emotion saga on Twitter too. Like with people saying AI is coming for everybody's job, right? Because you know that motion design now used to be like a very in demand job. But now they are saying you can create a video, like a motion based video. It's just prompts. With the GitHub thread that you're looking at the other time, the GitHub gist, is it like a message thread or like is it a config or something?
Oh, it's a message. Uh,
It's a thread.
yeah, let me share the link with you. I think there's a
Okay.
chat here.
Okay, so you're saying the way it works is like the same way you chat on ChatGPT. to
Yeah,
say write code or something. Like you
yeah,
chat with it actively also, and you tell it do this or do that or change background. Is that how you're saying it works?
yeah. For example, can you see like my screen? You see this? We are creating a remotion animation for a new command, blah blah. First, start out by
Yes,
making a new
yes.
composition. So actually, they have the words for things like composition, blah blah. So when you give it this prompt, now this guy. So according to what I'm seeing here, they actually like exposed their code to the AI. So you see here, it's this is like Claude code responding. I'll start by exploring the existing code structure to understand how compositions are set
That's
up.
Remotion's base now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking, what do you think? Oh no, right? I think that's what is to search for patterns. See here, it's searching. I found 100 files. Yeah, like found 3 files, read the root docs. I think it's reading like Remotion code base. People like look at this guy.
Interesting.
I think
So
it's
hold on, before we even say try it, how do you think this thing will work behind the scene? Because like this is one crazy engineering feat. So how do you think they are generating the video just from prompts behind the scene?
when we used to talk about how now I really don't know about okay now the whole thing that is happening is beyond agent skills. They actually had this thing working before that you could just use files to generate videos. Then now they just made it exposed so that people can prompt to get it. Like they had the product before. This Remotion product has always existed before that helps you make videos programmatically by just creating components and all those things, right? Like
Mm.
but now, what the agent skill is doing is that he's able to understand all their docs and everything, and is able to like write that code that you were meant to have written on your own. You understand? So I think they have like components, like for example, now um, see if you want to design something like this now,
Oh,
you write a div, you give it a height, a width, a background color, opacity. So you have already created something like this now. Now, if you want to make it, like, see if you want to make it scale. So, for
scale
example, I don't know what, make it scale, blah blah. So I think then you now add. There are now like transitions. So see transition,
transition.
import like transition series, slide, blah blah, and then it's able to do something like this. So it's all about code, right? And then
So
if
they
you want to
join all of this together at the end of the day to give you like your final video.
exactly, bring everything. So it's creating a lot of components. You can even use Google Fonts. Um, and then I think a lot of math happens behind the scene to be able to come. Because I remember when I was like testing it out, for you to place mouse on a particular button, you have to like get the whole, what they call it in mouse, is it geometry or like where that particular button
Mm.
is for the mouse to actually like click on it and all those things. But it's apparently writing components, like importing. They have a lot of what they call these things in
Methods, components.
they have a lot of them. So you import it from Remotion, and then you call them and use
I see.
them.
So this sounds good. I think you should try it out now already. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now where I'm confused is if we need to expose, we want to like create it for NGN market, right? So do we need
Mm.
to expose the NGN market code for it to like
The code
understand what the
base.
NGN market is all about? Because as I'm seeing here, they gave it like this prompt, and then it says that I will start by exploring the existing code structure.
Okay. But I believe that should be optional because some people just want to also say create video for a product that they don't necessarily have access to the code base. So
Yeah,
if it's entirely based on the code base, I don't know. That's not nice in my opinion.
yeah. I think we can do it with the code, but like that's why we are trying it out, right? We're going to see like what it's going to be
Mm.
like. So I think you share your screen. So you just go to like the Remotion website and MPX create
Okay.
video, blah blah. Yeah.
All right, give me a second. Awesome. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, so this is the landing page. Make videos programmatically, create yada yada
I
yada
think you
yada.
need to zoom your screen a little.
Okay, is it better?
No, like I mean the edges. No, there was something that you did so that we don't see like the black space at the
Oh,
edges.
oh. So I'm sharing my entire screen. Unless I share, say, like a window, that's when I can expand. Um,
Okay.
yes. I'll see if you have like some admin control on your end to zoom further or something.
Nah, nah, I can't do that. Drag.
Okay, but is this manageable? Like, or
Yeah,
is
I think
no?
it's cool
Okay,
actually. You can work with it.
okay. Hmm, interesting. So I'm seeing that you can choose a template.
Yes, yes. Once you run that command, that MPX create video, you see a lot of templates.
Oh, sounds good. So let's go then. NPX create video latest. Vamos. Yep. Okay, so this is where I get to select the template.
Yeah.
Let's do the
Can you zoom?
word. Oh my
Okay.
god. Is this better?
Yeah, one more. Okay, yeah, that's
Uh,
cool.
okay, okay. So yeah, hello, what are tailwind CSS? Yeah, agents queue. So what does this mean? I'm just going to say yes for now.
Yeah, that's the agent skill that they introduced. You understand? So we don't need to install agent skills again. So it's just going to set it up for us.
Interesting. Interesting. So now I'm just supposed to install the dependency by running npm I. Okay, let's explore the files, right? Oh, so from what I'm seeing here, like if say you're using like an AI coding tool, like Cursor,
Mm,
Windsurf, and the rest like that, they've already created these rules that would make it easier for that AI coding tool to understand Remotion. You get to understand what Remotion is all about.
yeah,
So it will make prompting easier for you. Then there's an SRC. So this is a React component, I believe.
yeah. And you see,
Can you see my
there
screen
are,
still?
yeah, I can see your screen. You see, there is Gemini, there's Windsurf, there's Cursor. So depending on like the AI tool that you're using. So for example, you're using, I think you're using
Yeah.
anti-gravity.
Yeah, I use anti-gravity, so he's not here for some reason.
So just Gemini is going to work for you. Have you installed the
Hmm.
dependency?
It's still running in the background.
Okay. This is just a basic React project.
Interesting.
I think even it depends on the template that you
Yeah.
choose. If you are choosing a Next.js and Tailwind project, it would have like set up a Next.js project.
Projects instead. So I think at the end of the day, like what you are building is say a web application with animation, right? So say
Uh,
you create a div, a circle div or something, then you create an animation that is making the div move from left to right. Do you get? Then you're not able to export that as a video. So looking at this, I feel like that's what's happening. What do you think?
yeah, exactly, exactly. That's like what, yeah, that's like what's happening with just with some of their own capabilities to be able to export. I think.
Hmm. Okay, so the installation is done. So I'm supposed to run npm run dev.
Uh, so yes,
Interesting. Oh,
you get
oh, oh, oh. This
yeah,
is nice. This is nice.
yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
So you run
So
npm run
here's
dev.
yeah, I did npm run dev. Yes. So this is this the hello world here is this component that they
Yeah,
defined here, right?
yes, yes, yes.
This one with this the logo, subtitle, title, and all of those things.
Maybe you should try and look for that subtitle and edit it. Let's see.
Okay. Top one. Just going to search right. Launch of death. Welcome to locating the root. So let's change this to hello world. Change the color to light green, and let's see what happens. Oh, interesting. So
Yeah,
it has alt reloading also, alt
good.
mode reloading. So do you have an idea, man? What should we? So we said we want to generate a video for NGN market, right? So
Yeah,
just like an intro video showing what the platform does, you can see stock prices, Nigerian stock prices, view their charts, track forex rates. So I think a video just showing all of those capabilities, like a text, would be
yeah,
nice, right?
yeah. I think our ability to prompt will really come a long way here.
Okay, so that's another question I have. Like, where do you now prompt now?
Oh,
Where does the
we'll prompt
prompt?
Gemini like the way you prompt normally your anti-gravity.
Oh, okay. So, okay. So, see my understanding of this thing now. I used to think that there's an interface, like how you can visit chatgpt.com and type your prompt, right? And it will give you whatever you want. So, I was thinking there is a similar interface like that for Remotion also. But yeah, I
Oh,
understand.
oh,
So that means
that would need them to maybe have like a client, blah blah blah. But like no, it's just your normal code, the way you write code with AI.
okay. So that means like you still need some programming experience to be able to use it, basically.
Yeah, 100. Except for nowadays, people that are good with prompts, they build SaaS.
Yeah, actually. Okay. Okay. So let me do one thing first. Let me get the video for what do you call it, engine market. Do you get
What do you mean by the video?
the logo? The logo, sorry, like the
Oh, okay,
logo,
okay.
because
So you know where you're going to add the logo, right? In the public folder. You add images and files in the public folder.
Okay, okay, awesome. With the, I think there should be a logo.png, right? Yeah, awesome. Also, copy image, comment paste. Beautiful.
I was also thinking maybe we take some screenshots of the NJ Market interface.
Okay. Hmm. Control Shift 5. So call the screenshots one, right? That's weird.
Oh, I see I am fair in the chat, a Velcast podcast in the chat. Wait,
You
amigo.
see Vilkas and everything in the chat. Interesting. Tell them to drop some W's in the chat.
Got some W's in the chat.
All right, vamos. So we have two screenshots already. Let me just grab one more and we'll go. Okay, this one, shift 5. So this is one crazy stuff that I discovered recently, right? You are using a MacBook and say you take a screenshot, you can just drag it from here to see wherever you want to use it to get.
Oh yeah, yeah. Like I'm seeing, but I think this okay. This just works for like this MacBook screenshot, right?
Yeah, I think so. That's the command. Command Shift 5. Yeah, Command
That's
Shift
fine.
5. So we'll name this logo.png screenshot. So we have logo, we have screenshots one, screenshots two, and screenshots three. So I think that three should be enough for now.
Yeah,
So yeah, next step is showcasing our prompting skills, right?
yeah.
And for some reason, my head is blank. But yeah,
I mean,
uh,
another hack that we can do right now is to go to ChatGPT. Since ChatGPT can scrape through the website, to tell it,
okay, it's a great
but
idea.
I would like you to feed it like this gist. Like, let me give you the initial. I don't know if we should feed it this gist, right? So that it has an idea of what we want to do. Like the gist
Okay.
that the Remotion guys,
Oh, you mean the GitHub gist? Hmm.
yeah, the GitHub gist. I don't know if it, but it looks so lengthy. Maybe we can just cut some part or something. So lengthy.
Okay. Okay, let me start by telling this guy to please visit ngmarket.com and summarize the site for me. Right. Interesting. NGN Market is a free online financial data platform focused on the Nigerian stock market and financial market. Blah 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 blah. Right. So also we I would like to generate a short intro video for engine market uh, using retool, right?
Yeah. Remotion.
Remotion, uh, the video should wait. Hold on, I am so lost right now. So what we are trying to do with ChatGPT is to create a prompt that we can feed anti-gravity to generate the video for us.
Yeah. So that prompt is usually like kind of de- a little
Okay.
bit detailed, right?
Okay. Okay, we'll go through this together. So, but you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, perfectly now.
Okay. So, I'd like to generate a short intro video for engine markets using Remotion. The video should um showcase what you can do on the platform, right? So
Yeah.
now we need your help in generating the prompt that we can feed to.
Can ChatGPT be able to like? I think ChatGPT should be able to scrape a bit of the page, especially a public page.
You mean the gist page, right? Yeah, it definitely should be able to. Not write prompts for Remotion. Oh, yeah, I think this should be fine.
Yeah. Just I don't
Okay.
think we need all these things that is going to give us. Like if you can just give us like maybe a paragraph prompt or something, or maybe we try this.
Just, so I think we should also specify that we have the logo, right? And we have those three screenshots.
Yeah. That's fine.
But let's read this. Create TypeScript, blah, 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 that introduce the engine market platform. The video should have three main title fitting. Hmm. I think this is not bad,
Yeah, but
right?
you need to specify those that we have four images, logo, and three screenshots of the
Yeah,
video.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So I was looking about like the structure, like it
Yeah.
says in one, two. Nah, okay. So have we have also exported the logo. Um, so I think I'm just going to copy this entire thing and see what happens. Uh yeah, let me just stick to Gemini 3 Pro. So
Yeah.
project engine markets, yada yada yada. Or is there anything that you think we should add?
I think this is cool. Like, was
So
good.
it's covered. Well, the state of the world is so crazy now.
Very
If
crazy.
this was in 2021, we would have to say read through the documentation of Remotion. Do you get like
Yes, man.
spend hours to read through documentation
When
before
you
you can
watch
even
it on our Brad Traversy video
write
explaining it.
to right explaining how it works. But now you can just crazy tell AI to generate prompt for you and feed AI the same prompt. Just chill and relax for your final output. It's a crazy stuff. I feel like that's another topic we should talk about some other time. Yeah, to get
Yeah,
using AI to write code and not using AI to write code.
yeah, actually. And I think there was one day we were talking about how it cuts this gap whereby you would need a lot of mentor. Like mentorship is still very key, But like there are some
uh,
questions you will need some access to like some very key influential people. But like right now, those kind of knowledge are not kind of available. Maybe how to set up certain company structure, all those kind of things. Like
exactly.
you can access those information. Or sometimes you may have needed to read like 7 books. And now you can
Before
like
you can understand something, right?
yeah,
Mm. But you know, there's also this argument that AI is rotting our brain. Do you get? Because you know, as we are relying on all of these things so much, in the past, I would have now sit down, try and understand this thing, and craft. Okay, maybe even craft the prompt myself. But see, I have gotten lazy to the point that I have to rely on AI to even write prompts for me. So there is this argument that AI is rotting our brain in the long run. Do you get? But
yeah.
also, so that's what
Sorry.
did you say?
You saw the that how everybody were reading those long articles by Dan Cole, right?
Cool. Yeah, yeah. You have to change your life in
Yeah. You see,
24 hours.
one thing with humans is that like people get tired like right now people are so like people got so used to reading small content and then they now saw like this long content that is so rich and then everybody's now reading it like it's just the way humans are like we the next thing you start hearing people the next drive very soon will be like they need to bring back the taste for reading long books like people are now becoming dumber like you understand that kind of thing or like children growing up don't even know like if you notice certain things right now they'll be like when your parents will be telling you that when I was growing up like this or this imagine we too will start telling people very soon that when I was growing up I used to watch 12 hours JavaScript course on freaking
Right?
Canva.
Right, right. And that's not going to be the reality of like the next generation.
Do you get
So crazy. It's so crazy. But I saw this blog post by Cassidy. I don't know if you've seen it also. I think I retweeted it.
Cassidy
Um
that's from GitHub right.
yeah, yeah, Cassidy. So the post is about how you should know outsource your thinking to AI. Do you get? I feel like that's very important because the world has gone so crazy to the point that I mean I even see myself doing these things that I'm about to say you want to draft like a simple email. Do you understand? Like you have to rely on AI to say help you. You might even write a fine draft at first, but they will still be like this drive to give it to ChatGPT to make it perfect for you. Do you get? Like you no longer trust your own brain. You no longer trust your own intuition. Do you understand? So I feel like that's bad to some extent, right? That's a bad thing. So ultimately, I think we should now like outsource like all our thinking to AI, like that blog post suggests. Let me see if I can pull it up.
I think I've gotten the blog post I shared it in the private chat.
Okay, let me take a look.
Never give up your brain.
Exactly, exactly. Do not give up your brain. So
Right.
exactly.
Boy, this is talking to us because we just gave up our brain.
Yeah, which is sad and ironic. But yeah, and some other people would make this argument that it's fine that the humans are just going to get better in doing some other things.
Mm,
So I don't
mm,
know if you've seen it like that. That it's fine that so they would make this comparison of how um, people were scared at first when they introduced the calculator. You get so people used to do maths with their head and write out maths 2 plus 2 additional all of these things. But then they introduced the calculator to help you do maths quickly. So and we moved on to some other things, to like doing more important stuff, to solving more crazier maths problem. So some other people would make this argument that it's fine that we are outsourcing our thinking to AI to get that we'll just do some other, will
yeah,
transcend.
yeah. I've heard those arguments actually, and it's just like, oh, yeah. I think this video has finished building, but like, yeah, I also it's crazy.
Yeah,
I think I think this video has finished building. It created a new one, engine soldier.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Yo. Okay.
oh, oh, you saw. You know what happened in that place? It switched the
I
three screenshots.
Oh, I did not notice that.
Oh, it's nice.
Wow, this is so cool. And this is how many minutes long?
29 seconds. Have we? Oh no.
I think around 16
I
or
think it's.
11 seconds.
Huh?
11.
Oh wow.
So
I think
nice.
if
Wow.
we were to refine the prompt, we just tell you that this second, maybe like for this second one. But I think it actually looks cool for something that just ran in five.
Exactly. Like, this is so nice. If you wanted to do something like this with say Adobe animation, I mean I'm not a motion designer, so I don't understand. I'm very sure like it's going to be more demanding than just sitting and writing prompt and talking. She gets
Actually,
this is
actually,
so
I need
freaking
to
nice.
dedicate time to really writing good prompts. I will get something really massive.
Exactly. Oh,
But do you know how to export the video? Funny thing is that exporting the video is just a command.
oh, a command also. Interesting.
Yeah. Um, forgotten the command, but it's just one command actually to export the video. You specify the location, the name of the composition. You know, they work with compositions like um, preview your video.
Yes. It's-
Can you ask AI like how can I export the video?
Okay, let's look at the package JSON
Oh,
file.
actually, no.
Only CPU, no export. Okay, let's now outsource our thinking to here and figure out how to export. How to
Okay,
export the picture ourselves.
wait. So, let me check the doc. Um,
The fundamentals.
tricky.
It's man.
Actually, I have an idea that it's actually a command. Then you specify the output
I think
parameter.
I saw the command at the start also. Okay, like okay, I think it was during the whole installation process, right?
Hmm. You can just ask, how do I export?
Is this it to render a video run npx run?
Oh, actually, maybe that is it. Actually,
Okay, let's try.
yeah, I think that's it. But like right now, we're not specifying like, okay, yeah, it's going to render into a folder, a out folder within the root folder. Like it will create a folder out. I think once this is done, we can like start wrapping up and make plans.
So I was seeing Chrome headless, like what's happening behind the scene.
Actually, that's
Oh, I think I understand. So you can record a like say you want to do scraping with Playwright or Puppeteer, like headless Chrome basically. You can record like the session.
yeah. Oh, so it's like,
So I think they are just running this as an application and just recording. I don't really get.
oh, I think I get just like the way you take screenshots through Playwright and Co.
Exactly. The way you take screenshots to Playwright or Puppeteer. So you can also record videos. I think they will just run this as like a full page application and just record. That's so crazy.
That's crazy.
Wow.
That's
Oh, apparently there is like the option here to render. Do you see it? This is my screen.
Oh yeah, I see it. This was what I was seeing in the documentation.
So you go, I've just come here and
Oh, so like there was really no need to even like.
exactly. So you can even create multiple projects. Hmm.
I think that's created the out folder.
Here.
Uh, let me see. Oh yeah, so the video has finished down exporting. Wow. I use
This is so nice.
actually crazy
This is
stuff.
so nice. This is so nice.
Yeah. Yeah, this makes sense that we actually tried this like live instead of like not doing anything. But the
Right.
idea is for us to like have regular sessions where we like dive into like more cogent topics and the whole AI balls and just do our thing.
Hmm.
And in the future, we'll be streaming to LinkedIn and any other social media we like. Just like
LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, X, Facebook, every stream everywhere.
anyway, I think that will be all for today. Oh, if you're
Yeah,
watching
man.
this and you heard
Yeah.
us talk about playwrights scraping, I think
Let me stop sharing my screen.
yeah, yeah. Anyways, I think we would also like people to, if you see this video and you want to like check the products we are building, you can check out enginemarket.com if you are like a Nigerian that explore stock. And we also have Spydra, crazy project. We're going to be talking about it like many times. I'm bringing up our other guys on this like stream to talk about like Spydra building crazy infrastructure to get data from the web. Yeah, and that's all. It's been nice doing this, like seeing
Also,
that. Yeah,
and
Eh,
the plan is also to like be natural. Like this is nothing serious. We're just having fun, just talking about our experience, sharing our experience, and talking about tech, right? And
yeah.
this is also just like a mock. This is our first time. There's a lot more to come. So like and sub, guys, and drop some W's in the chat.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
till next time.